Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to show you how this beautiful front porch swing was made, as well as this cushion cover for it. This swing was made by my very handy father-in-law, so I do not have this process filmed, but you can enjoy pictures and see how it came to life. After it was all done and painted, I decided to go over with the polyurethane to protect the wood and the stain on it. This foam I got at Joann's Fabric and it was pre-cut to the size of my swing. I also got on sale this beautiful outdoor fabric that I'm going to be using to make the cover. First thing I did, I measured all sides of my foam and I added 1 inch seam allowance on each side and I cut my fabric. I ended up with 6 pieces of cut fabric, and one of those where the zipper is going to go in is 1 inch wider. I took this part where the zipper is going to go, I folded in half lengthwise with the right side in. I used the pins to keep it in place. Next, I took the inner part of the folded piece of fabric. I sewed the straight line, and the width is the half of the width of my zipper. Next step, I cut that inner part that I sewn together, and I'm sorry for the bad lighting. What I'm doing over here is just opening these 2 pieces flat with the right side down, and now you will see how I'm gonna insert my zipper. It is just important to make sure that the zipper foot, the right side of the zipper, goes down. And next step, I am sewing a straight line closest to the zipper as possible. I'm using a regular foot, but you can also use the zipper foot as well. The last step is I am taking this seam cutter and just cutting the seam that I sewn right in the beginning. And that's how zipper is revealed. And when we come to life, and I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. The only thing left for me to do was to sew all other pieces together, making sure that the right side is facing each other and to sew it on the wrong side. I really hope you will be able to understand how to do all this. I am sorry if I'm not explaining very well. I am not a seamstress. I am self-taught, but my whole point of this is just to show you that it's very easy to learn things and you can do things on your own. When it's all done, I just flipped it inside out, making sure the corners are straightened out. I am very pleased the way it turned out. It fits like a glove.
At night, aligns all the shady features.
It looks beautiful on our porch swing and it is very comfortable. We already enjoyed it over the weekend. I really hope you liked this video and hope this gave you idea of how to make your own cushion cover. It is very easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I would really love to have you. Enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you soon. Bye guys.
You get my heart.